Store decoration is a key aspect in the operation of an independent website, directly affecting user experience and the conversion rate of the store. Click on the plugin market and you can see there are various themes. Select the template you like. Click Install and activate it. Then click to enable to jump to the theme settings module. Select the template you want to enable. Note: when your store already has homepage data, do not check Import Template Date, as this will overwrite the data you have already set.